Hello, what's up? So today we're going to talk about three things which can really boost your clothing brands big time. So let's start with the first one. Having in-depth knowledge of marketing. So that can help you, build $1 million brand. Because say you sold your products to all your friends and family, now what? So you have to sell your products to strangers. For that you have to learn social media marketing and marketing by itself. How to run ads and how to run ads on Instagram, Google, and so on and so on. So when you're gonna sell your stuff to strangers, then you're gonna make actual money. The second point is to be unique and follow new trends. So you need to keep your eyes open, because last year what happened is that there are so many brands who ordered this stuff for puff print, but brands who didn't know that, they came later and the trend was gone. So you need to keep your eyes open just to cope with the trends, just to be unique, just add your own twist to it, but also keep up with the trends, so that it's going to be helpful for your brands. The third point is take the orders through your website. Make your website as strong as you can, and so that people are gonna see that this particular brand looks like legit, and have some type of knowledge, and looks better than others. People who are taking their orders through WhatsApp or through DMs, they don't look that much professional. So you need to take your orders through website, because it looks more professional than people who are taking their orders through those social media channels.